Breakfast is often referred to as the most important meal of the day. However, many people still choose to skip it for various reasons. Some might be too busy in the morning, while others simply don't feel hungry. Regardless of the reason, skipping breakfast can have negative effects on your health. In this video, we'll explore 5 reasons why you shouldn't skip breakfast, backed by scientific evidence. 1. Breakfast boosts your metabolism. When you wake up in the morning, your body has been in a fasting state for several hours. This means that your metabolism has slowed down, and your body is conserving energy. Eating breakfast kickstarts your metabolism, which helps you burn more calories throughout the day. In fact, studies have shown that people who eat breakfast have a higher resting metabolic rate than those who skip it. This means that they burn more calories even when they're not active. Moreover, breakfast also helps to regulate your blood sugar levels. When you eat breakfast, your body releases insulin to help process the glucose in your food. This insulin response is important because it prevents your blood sugar levels from spiking too high, which can lead to insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. 2. Breakfast improves cognitive function. Your brain needs glucose to function properly, and breakfast is an excellent source of glucose. When you skip breakfast, your brain doesn't have the fuel it needs to function optimally. This can lead to reduced cognitive function, including memory and attention span. Studies have shown that people who eat breakfast perform better on cognitive tests than those who skip it. They also have better concentration and are more alert throughout the day. Children who eat breakfast are also more likely to perform better in school than those who skip it. 3. Breakfast reduces the risk of obesity. Skipping breakfast might seem like a good way to reduce your calorie intake, but it can actually have the opposite effect. When you skip breakfast, you're more likely to overeat later in the day to compensate for the missed meal. This can lead to weight gain and an increased risk of obesity. In fact, studies have shown that people who skip breakfast are more likely to be overweight or obese than those who eat breakfast. This is because breakfast helps to regulate your appetite hormones, which can help you make healthier choices throughout the day. When you skip breakfast, you're more likely to crave high-calorie, high-fat foods. 4. Breakfast improves heart health. Eating breakfast can also have a positive effect on your heart health. Studies have shown that people who skip breakfast are more likely to have high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and other risk factors for heart disease. On the other hand, those who eat breakfast regularly have a lower risk of heart disease. One possible reason for this is that breakfast can help to regulate your blood pressure. When you skip breakfast, your blood pressure can spike in response to stress or other factors. This can put a strain on your heart and increase your risk of heart disease. 5. Breakfast improves mood and reduces stress. Finally, breakfast can have a positive effect on your mood and stress levels. When you skip breakfast, your body goes into a stress response, which can lead to increased cortisol levels. Cortisol is a hormone that's associated with stress, and high levels of cortisol can lead to a variety of negative health effects. Eating breakfast can help to regulate your cortisol levels, which can reduce stress and improve your mood. In fact, studies have shown that people who eat breakfast are less likely to experience depression and anxiety than those who skip it. Breakfast can also improve your energy levels, which can help you feel more motivated and productive throughout the day. Conclusion. In conclusion, there are many reasons why you shouldn't skip breakfast. Eating breakfast can boost your metabolism, improve cognitive function, reduce the risk of obesity, improve heart health, and reduce stress and improve mood. It's important to make breakfast a regular part of your daily routine to reap these benefits. When choosing what to eat for breakfast, it's important to make healthy choices. Opt for foods that are high in protein and fiber, such as eggs, oatmeal, and whole grain bread. Avoid high sugar and high-fat foods, such as pastries and sugary cereals, as these can lead to energy crashes and cravings later in the day. If you're someone who struggles to find time in the morning for a sit-down breakfast, consider meal prepping or grabbing a quick and healthy on-the-go option, such as a smoothie or protein bar. The key is to make sure you're fueling your body with the nutrients it needs to function at its best. In summary, breakfast is an important meal that should not be skipped. By making it a regular part of your routine and choosing healthy options, you can improve your metabolism, cognitive function, heart health, and overall well-being. So, next time you consider skipping breakfast, remember the benefits and make the time to fuel your body and mind for the day ahead.